Hello friends, today we are going to learn some tips. So whenever someone speaks English very fluently, then it is happened we cannot understand what exactly they are saying, and we are trying to find out the word, but we are not getting. It's happened because you know the word, but you have the problem related with the sound, because two words punched over there all together and then pronounced, and that's why two words all together making one. So that's why the problem occurs in our ear most of the time. So there is a hearing problem, and you can speak English better if you listen English very well. Okay, so let's get started. You also say with me what the line I'm saying, you also say with me, then it would be helpful for you. I have nothing to tell you. I have nothing to tell you. Okay, it's a clear I'm saying I have nothing to tell you. Okay, this one concentrated form whenever comes, then what I'm saying, I've nothing to tell you. I've nothing to tell you. I've nothing to tell you. So I have, it's a punching and sound is coming. I've, I've, I've nothing to tell you, to tell you, to tell you, to tell you, to tell you. I've nothing to tell you. I have never met him. I have never met him. I've never met him. I've never met him. I've never met him. He has been away. 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 He has been, has been, has been, has been away. I will let you know. I will let you know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I will, I'll, I'll, I will, I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Okay, so that like altogether sounds is coming. So if you want to speak that way, so if you practice this, I think it would be very much helpful for you. A little bit more. Okay, come on. That would be fine. 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 So concentrated. What do you mean? What do you mean? What I mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Please say with me. It would be better. What do you mean? Okay. Where does he live? Where does he live? Okay, concentrated. Where does he live? Where does he live? Where does he live? Where does he? Where does he? Where does he? Where does he live? Where does he live? What did you do? 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 Okay. If you get interest and if you want to like to get that like more things, please remark and tell me, then I'll try my level best. Okay. Thank you so much.